The Hoover, the pressurized cleaning system Max Extra 77 spin scrub. My daughter suggested that I get it. Here's how you clean the bottom base, which you need to clean every time that you use it. On the back here, if you see my hand, you press down on the handle and lean this back. Then you lift this out. And on the back side, it has a lever and a little knob. You take that off, the lever will lift up the top. You take a hose and you squirt in here to get dirt out. Then you take a hose to squirt in here to get dirt out. Then you take a hose and squirt up in here to get the dirt out. And keep pressure until you get all the dirt. Then you put it back together by fitting that, the lockdown, the knob. Don't forget to clean out the screen here. There's a screen. And then replace the screen. Put that back in, and it's ready to go. Good luck and have a great time, and I hope your project sucks.